Hello there, you're welcome back. This is another series of our class where we are going to learn about match function and also index function together with match function. So let's start with match function. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe so that you will not miss out on industry related videos we'll be releasing with time. Now let's start with match function. Match function is used to look at a large table to see if a particular data is present. Let's say we want to know if Johnson Peter is on this table. Let's say the data is large. To save us scrolling up and down the table, match function will return the row number where we can find that. Let's find out. Let's do it. Equal to match. Now, what is the lookup value? Do you see lookup value? The lookup value, what you want to look for is Johnson Peter, comma. What is lookup array? Lookup array is the range of the table, okay, starting from here. Let's say starting from here. Sorry, the range of the name. You can press a Control Shift arrow key down to take you to the last. Next. How do you want to match? Match it exact match. That's 0. Close and press enter. Let's see. It's on row number 15. Let's find out. 15. Do you see? It's on row 15. That is what we use index for. Look at the formula again. Equal to match. Cell address G4 where we have what we are looking for, comma, the range where the data can be found, which is the range of name, then comma, exact match. Now let's say we want to look for something about this staff. Let's say we want to look for department. We don't know department of the staff. It could be employment ID or whatever. Of course, you know, it is difficult to know all these offhand, but with functions like index and match can help you retrieve what you are looking for. So we are looking for the department. What is department of John Peter? So in that case, we can use index and match together. So I will start equal to index. Index is the entire range. Let's start it from here. Entire range. Now let's represent it in absolute reference. Absolute reference. Select it. You can press F4. Or if your function key is controlled by Fn, you can press Fn and then F4. Now this is absolute reference. Now next, match. Let's start with matching the name. Want to match this name, comma, with name column. Now let's also absolute reference it. Can press F4. Then exact match, that's 0. Close bracket, comma. Next, we also want to match the department, okay, which is here, comma. I'm going to match it in this row. Let's also represent it in absolute reference. Sorry, I have to do that again. Okay, from here, C2 to E2, comma. Now let me represent it as absolute reference F4. Okay. Now exact match, that's 0. Close the bracket. Then close the bracket you open when you open it here. So make it 2. Enter. John C. Peter is in HR. Let's find out. You can see John C. Peter is in HR. Okay, let's change the name of the person to, let's say the name of the person is Matt Harrison. You don't know what Matt Harrison, sorry, is not case sensitive. Can be anything. Harrison is in procurement. Let's find out. Matt, do you see? Let's say Jeff. She's in sales. Do you see? So it is very useful when you have a large data. Instead of going through the data, searching for the data, you can use index and match. Now we move over to the second example. Join us the next class and subscribe.